Yeah, I mean, there was definitely people out, during the days the sea was kind of cool, so there weren't a lot of people just kind of out on the patio the whole time. Yeah, the one thing I did like, cruises, they really, like, okay, well, come to our shops and 40% off and da da da. I'm like,